Since 2008, the Women's Fund, a special initiative of the Foundation for Enhancing Communities, has granted more than $117,000 to 33 organizations in support of programs that advance the lives of women and girls. It's an organization where women make women stronger.
The Women's Fund is absolutely necessary to what we do. We could not be able to do or live out our vision and live out our mission if we did not have the funds that is coming from the Women's Fund. The Shalom House is a 30-day shelter, emergency shelter for women and children. Our mission is to make sure that we empower women, and some of our women actually come to our home feeling maybe down or feeling discouraged, and for some of them they feel really broken. We get the opportunity to help change their lives.
At the Salvation Army Harrisburg, we're privileged to partner with the Foundation for Enhancing Communities in a number of different ways. And the Women's Fund is certainly one of those ways that allows us to support our programs, and particularly the girls in our program. And it has gone to support scholarships for girls to attend our summer youth enrichment program, to learn a lot of different things, but also to be in a safe environment, and to help parents, working moms, and others who might not be able to afford other child care or educational activities for their young people.
The reason that we wanted to start a program like this was because we were seeing students in the Pregnant and Parenting Teen program that are in high school were running into problems like if they were in foster care. So what would happen in some counties is that the county would keep the child, and so they were losing their babies, and that was not okay.
I started the foundation after my own diagnosis with breast cancer at age 33. In 2016, we added a component called Bras Across Campus with the goal of working directly with student organizations to host a breast health promotion event on campus. And so the idea behind it was that if we work directly with student organizations, they do a better job of reminding their peers to feel their boobies than perhaps an adult or authority figure might.
Target population are unemployed, dislocated, disabled workers, ex-offenders, people who are job seeking. So it's very rewarding work, and people are very grateful. And women in particular who are struggling to raise a family alone, or who have suffered in a violent situation, they don't need another, I don't know what to tell you. They need oh, that's okay, let's do this. And you can see women feeling good every step of the way.
With generous support from the Women's Fund, we're able to run and continue to run an ongoing behavioral program we have for young girls ages 7 to 11 with ADHD. And this program includes 8 weeks of free treatment for girls with ADHD and their parents.
The Women's Fund enabled us to provide LARCs for all of the women who come to the checkup center, to give that as an option. LARC stands for long-acting reversible contraception, which is the most effective and also the most expensive method of birth control. Because fundraising accounts for 50% of our budget, it's really important for us to be able to get the grants like the Women's Fund grant and others in the community that allow us to provide these services.
In Bridge Hope, Harrisburg area, we serve single homeless mothers, and we do that by finding apartments in the community. They're actually on the lease, and then we provide the first month's rent security deposit for them to move into those apartments, and then we continue to provide some financial assistance on a continuous basis. The most unique aspect of what we do is that we partner each of our families with a group of people from a church or different churches in the communities, and then they do what we call as neighboring. They provide the social network and social capital for that mom.
Lord's House is a program for homeless pregnant mothers. They can come anytime during their pregnancy, and they can stay for a total of 8 months. Throughout that 8 months, we help them with any type of needs that they may have. A lot of times there might be items that we may not have the funds for, so these grants would help us. The success that they can make after leaving our program, like, I just want to see these women succeed to the best of their ability and let them know that there's nothing out there stopping you from being the best that you can be.
Help us fund solutions to improve the life and advance the causes of women and girls in our area. Become a Dream Team member with a pledge of $1,000, just $16.66 a month, or continue on to create, sustain, and inspire. Without your contribution, these programs for women and girls in our communities would not be possible. We can do more working together. Join us.